Part 2. Lest I forget, our house stood right at the water's edge, the waterfront, which we call Mijisoko. There at the water's edge stood the old toilet house, which we call Biewari. People would come as early as 5 a.m. to use it, but that morning, that fateful morning, around 4:45 a.m., everything changed. Those who had simply come to relieve themselves suddenly found their plans and their peace shattered. It all began with a gunshot from the first creek entrance, which we usually call Okolo. Then a dynamite exploded at the second creek, and after that, silence. Then followed by a rain of gunfire. Panic broke loose. People at the toilet house abandoned everything and ran back toward their homes. My family and I fell flat on the floor, too afraid to move, and the shooting continued for hours. Our stomach rumbled, but no one dared think of food because hunger did not matter. Survival was all that mattered. We only had a small potty in the house where we relieved ourselves, as most rural families did, while the world outside raged with chaos. Then the cries began. Word spread that the invaders had stormed into certain homes. Some men were women too. Many were simply because the people who were sought were not found. By the time the gunfire subsided, the damage was unthinkable. Smoke rose into the sky. Some houses were reduced to ashes. Families wept as they discovered the life of their loved ones. Our small city, once proudly called Little London, was crippled. Schools have shut down. Hospitals were closed. Even the security forces fled the island, barely escaping with their lives. For months, silence and fear hung over us. But slowly, life tried to crawl back. Schools began to reopen. Businesses stirred again. Security forces returned. But nothing was ever the same.